Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to apply smooth cursor moving in Camtasia 2023 or 2024. Okay, so firstly you have to record a video using Camtasia recorder, which is on top. You can see here. You have to click here and screen record with the Camtasia. Otherwise, it won't work. Okay, so after recording with Camtasia, you have to click on this more option and then you'll find here cursor effect. Sometime you may find the cursor effect here, but if you can't find, you have to click more, then click on cursor smoothing, this one. Then you have to hold the click and drag down to the video. Okay, just hold it and drag down to the video, and now if you click open the video, you will find that it is smoothing. Okay, so smooth. Now if you want to change the anything like properties, you have to click on this properties. Then you can see the duration and the delay. It is 22 to 0.25 second, and the one duration is 1 second. If you want to change it, you can do it with this mouse. So after that, your cursor will be smoothing in the video. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.